What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time I want to show you how you can install iOS 12 public beta on your device and get a cool looking Memoji like this one. So stay tuned and I will tell you everything about it right after the intro. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website called beta.apple.com. I will also leave a link to it in the description. On this website you will basically get all the information about the Apple Beta software program, and on the bottom you will find a sign up button. Simply hit that button and you will get to a sign in window where you need to type in your Apple ID and password. After you're logged in with your Apple ID, you will get to a guide for public betas. They are also available for Mac OS, iOS and tvOS. So you might want to read the information on this page. Go to the point where it says Get Started and hit the Enroll your iOS device link. So now the web page is saying you should archive your iOS system. So you might want to do that over your Mac or PC. The next thing is we want to hit that download profile button and then hit allow at the pop-up window. So it will bring us to our settings where we have to install the iOS 12 beta software profile. So we want to hit that install button, type in our passcode and agree with the consent by hitting the install button and hit the install button again. So now our device requests a restart. This will apply all the necessary settings for your iOS 12 beta update.
A few moments later.
So after your device rebooted, you can go to your settings and hit that software update button. And you should get the iOS 12 public beta right in your software update window. Type in your passcode again to verify the installation. The update is now requested from the Apple service, and after a short time you should see that it's downloading. In my case it will take around 15 minutes for the download. The installation should start automatically. If not, you can also hit the install now button.
More moments later.
After the installation is finished, you will get some welcome screens which telling you that the update is completed, giving you some information about the new screen time feature and the iPad analytics, and it will tell you to keep your iPad up to date by installing automatic updates. You just have to go through them by hitting the continue button, and then you should be right back on your home screen. So now you will be able to use all the cool features iOS 12 has to offer. Swipe down from the right corner to get your control center, and you will also notice that the clock is on the left side of the screen and battery and network is on the right side of the screen. So we want to have a quick look into some of the new apps like voice memos, where you can record voice memos and then upload them to your iCloud so you can access them over all your iOS devices. Going back to the settings and hit the software update button, you will see that automatic updates are on and your iOS 12 is up to date. There's this new feature called screen time, where I don't have anything in it right now, but I will show you on my iPhone, where I've installed the public beta a couple days ago. You will also have the new stocks application, which shows a more detailed view of all the stocks you want to add and also has the latest news to each stock. You will find all the news right under the information of each stock, and they come from various websites. I already installed the public beta on my iPhone a couple of days ago and quickly want to show you some cool features here. So want to go to your settings and go to screen time, where you can see a detailed list of your most used applications and how long you spent in them. You also see how often you picked up your phone, in my case 4 times per hour, and you will see how many notifications you got and from which application they are coming. You also have a detailed view for the last 7 days, and the analytics are also split up by entertainment, social networks and so on. The last new feature I want to talk about is the Measure app. With the Measure app, you can simply use your camera to get the size of an object. You simply move to a point where you want to start to measure and do a click, and then move it to the second point, and it will give you the exact length of the object. You can do this with multiple points. So in my example, I just drew a triangle. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys setting up your iOS 12 open beta. Be aware that there can be some bugs here and there, and some applications might not work correctly as they are not updated by the developers yet. But for me it pretty much worked really good so far. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come up. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next video.